Hi, this is Scott McKenzie and this is the video walkthrough tour for Townhouse 3 of 68 Armadale Street in St Lucia. So I'm just going to start off with a 360-degree rotation in the complex to show you a beautiful, quiet complex located in the heart of St Lucia, very close to the university, public transport, Ironside State School, and shopping at Toowong and also in Indooroopilly. So as I say, this is a 3-bedroom townhome. It has a double garage with internal access as well and electric remote doors. So let's take a look inside. We have a covered porch here. Security and fly screens on all the windows, sliding doors. So I'll just pause for a moment here before we carry on into the property. And on this level we have the living and dining area. We have the kitchen over to the right, as well as the stairs upstairs. We also have stairs going down towards the garage for internal access to the garage. And we also have a powder room on this floor. So entering the property now, we can see we've got tall windows right around the perimeter of this room. And the courtyard is nicely shaded at this time in the afternoon. We've got air conditioning, and we'll just briefly go outside into the courtyard. And it's a wraparound courtyard right from the front of the property, and you can see we have secure fencing here and drying line, and as I say, it goes right round to the back of the property there. Heading back indoors, we have the kitchen with stone benches, dishwasher, double sink, stainless appliances, glass cooktop, and plenty of storage space. Window looking out to the rear courtyard. And as I mentioned, we've got the downstairs powder room here, as well as stairs leading down to the garage for internal access. And now we'll continue up the stairs. A large gallery window providing lots of natural light. So as we reach the top of the stairs here, I'll just pause for a moment again and show you the layout. So we have the master bedroom here on the left with ensuite, family bathroom in the centre, and then bedrooms 2 and 3 over here on the right. So starting with the master bedroom, really large size bedroom. Again, plenty of natural light from the full length windows and the double sliding doors leading to the balcony. Starting here on the left, we have a good sized walk-in wardrobe with shelves and drawers fitted. Air conditioning, recessed lighting. We also have a ceiling fan. This room is carpeted, as are the other 2 bedrooms, and downstairs in the living and dining area and kitchen we have a laminate flooring. So a nice green outlook here and views of Mount Cootha. Lovely little balcony. And in the ensuite we have shower, toilet and single vanity with window with privacy glass and fly and security screen. And looking into the family bathroom, we have shower over bath, toilet and single vanity. Again, privacy glass with security and fly screen and tiled floor. And then heading into bedroom 2, which has corner windows on 2 sides. Again, a nice green outlook. Air conditioning and ceiling fan. And double built-in wardrobe. Heading back out onto the landing, which you can see is a nice spacious landing. And into bedroom 3, where again we have air conditioning and ceiling fan, privacy shades on the window and the double built-in wardrobe. So heading back downstairs again. So this concludes our tour of Townhome 3 of 68 Armadale Street in St Lucia. I hope you found the video useful. As always, we try to ensure accuracy with these videos, but we cannot guarantee it. And we do advise anyone who wishes to apply for the property to inspect it beforehand. To find more details on this property, please visit our listing on realestate.com.au, where you'll also find the date and time of our next open home. And if those open home times don't suit you, please do get in touch by calling the office on 07 3040 1200.